Finger family.
Daniel. Daniel was taken from his home in Judah to Babylon when he was a teenager. Daniel had been in Babylon 65 years. Because of his wisdom and good character, he had been invited to serve as an advisor to 3 different kings. Darius the Mede was now king. He gave the order that all his subjects must worship him as a god or else be put to death. But Daniel continued to worship the true God. Although Darius liked Daniel and wanted him to be in charge of all of Babylon, he had him thrown into a den of lions. "Let your God save you," he said sadly. The next morning, he went to the lion's den, expecting to find Daniel dead. To his surprise, he found Daniel without even a scratch on him. Daniel told Darius that God had sent his angel to keep the lions from hurting him. Darius was happy. He told all his people, "Daniel's God is the living God."
If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.